Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to calculate the sum of odd and even integers of first n natural numbers. N is the range you have to obtain from the user. From 1 to n, you have to calculate the sum of even numbers and the sum of odd numbers. We will see the demo. I am having a variable n equal to integer of input of enter the range. The input function will display the string enter the range in the user console. When user enters the value, the input statement receives it as a string and which is converted as an integer by the in function and storing it in the variable n. So n is the range from 1 to up to which number we have to calculate the odd sum and even sum. Now I am initializing two variable even underscore sum equal to odd underscore sum equal to 0. So I am initializing two variables even sum and odd sum to 0. Now I am going to write a for loop for I in range 1 comma n plus 1 colon. So for is a keyword for the for loop. I is the loop variable. In operator connect the loop variable with the list generated by the range function. The range function will generate list from the first value to last value minus 1. So we need 1 to n. So I am giving n plus 1 here. The I value will take the value of the list one by one, starting from 1, 2, and 3 one by one and get inside the loop body. So inside the loop body, I am writing a if statement if I modulo 2 double equal to 0. The modulo operator divide the I by 2 and return the remainder. When you divide any even number by 2, the remainder is always 0. If I modulo 2 is 0, I am adding the I with the even sum. Even underscore sum equal to even underscore sum plus I. I am writing a else statement. If I modulo 2 is not a 0, control will come to the else statement. If you perform any odd number with the modulo operation of 2, the remainder is always a non-zero. So in this case, I am adding the value I with the odd sum. Odd underscore sum equal to odd underscore sum plus I. I will take the value from the list 1 to n, 1 by 1. First iteration I is 1. To check 1 modulo 2, the remainder is 1 only. It will come here and add it to the odd sum. I will take the next value from the list is 2. 2 modulo 2 is 0. It will add it to the even sum. Next value is 3. That will get added to the odd sum because 3 modulo 2 is not a 0. Likewise, from to 1 to n, all the even numbers are added to the even sum and all the odd numbers are added to the odd sum. Here I am giving an indentation. Indentation stands for the scope. That means the if and else statement are within the for loop. Likewise, here I am giving indentation. That means the statement is in the if block. Likewise, this is in the else block. After the for loop, that means the next statement after the for loop, I am printing the result. Print the sum of even numbers colon even underscore sum. I am printing now the sum of odd numbers. The sum of odd numbers colon odd underscore sum. So my program is over. I am obtaining the range from the user, initializing two variable even sum and odd sum equal to 0. I am writing a for loop. This loop will go from 1 to n and the loop variable take the values from 1 to n one by one in each iteration. It will take the value 1 and come here and check 1 modulo 2 double equal to 0. That means remainder is 0 and no, it will add in the odd sum. Next iteration will take a 2 and it will add in the even sum. Likewise, 1 to n, all the odd numbers are added in the odd sum, all the even numbers are added in the even sum. After the loop body, now I am printing the result. The sum of even numbers colon is a string. I am closing the double quotation followed by the variable even sum. The next line I am printing the sum of odd numbers. The sum of odd numbers equal to colon comma odd sum. This is the program. Now we will execute the program and check the result. So range is 10. Here the sum of even numbers equal to 30. What are the even numbers from 1 to 10? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. Correct. Likewise, sum of odd numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.